here with Champ's sister Bianca, and she's my cousin. So we're gonna be making Play-Doh. We had to sneak all the ingredients. Okay, so we're bad. We're not supposed to have this. So we need a bowl. Because it's easy. It's just like making dough. It's just dough, but it's like food. Okay.
It's like dough.
So you're gonna need some powdered flour.
Water.
Food coloring. We're using this color. It's pretty. Teal. But we're gonna.
You gotta add glue.
No, you don't. That's slime. Okay, we're done. We added it.
Don't
all of it. We need a little bit.
I know, a tiny bit at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, like you'll add that.
Okay.
You're using a marker, at least use a pencil.
Okay. It's alright, you washes more. Pour more water in. And Bianca can put in the food coloring because we're not letting her do anything. Like she's supposed to be in the video.
Yeah. I need to get a paintbrush for the
More.
coloring. I'm getting a paintbrush.
Put her like a lot, but not a lot.
Okay, now that's tiny.
Fag.
What?
Called her a fag.
Did your mama just say that word?
Yeah, I always say it. Faggot! Yeah, we're fag!
Okay.
No, we didn't. Big Fat Albert?
Fat Albert.
What's your password?
Fat Albert. Bianca! Okay, now
Okay, time to get messy.
you can see, look, and it,
Oh my
see what can look. And there's your Play-Doh.
But we're not
Look.
done.
It smells so good.
It stinks.
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
It smells like Fat Albert.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Okay, stop coughing. They're gonna think you're dying, and then they're like gonna, ew,
What happens if you add glue?
Then it would be sticky. And
Okay, let's just stick with this.
No, let's just stick with that.
No, hold on. We only need this big one. Let me see the food coloring. That's why we're sticking with this.
Ew, this stinks like old tamales.
Like old tamales.
Oh my gosh, woman, what are you doing?
Get in the Mexican spirit. Oh my god. Come on. I just want to see that. I just want to see if you can handle this. I mean, front, back, side to side. Oh, get back up. Okay, work.
Working on my
Work. You see me how to work. You see me doing dirt. Oh my god, it smells like cow poop.
I know.
I'm getting money. When they hit me, then they love me. Hello. It's me, the fat cow.
Hawaiians.
How are you?
I know this.
Hide it. Wipe it on her pillow.
Don't.
I'm just kidding, Bianca.
Hold on, wipe it on. Oh, here.
That's how you make Play-Doh.
A paint shirt. A paint shirt. I just smacked my head open.
Okay, that's it for this video. But you add more food coloring. It looks prettier. And don't sniff it. Add.
No, nip it.
No, nip
Don't
it.
sniff it at all.
Add
You'll
perfume
die.
or something. Yeah, you'll die. It smells like dog food. That's what it smells like. It
Yeah.
smells like Declan's breath.
It smells like my dog's poop.
It smells like a dog breath. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.